In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your trading or tax statement from Binance. Whether you're using Binance globally or in a specific region such as Binance US, a few menu names might differ slightly, so keep that in mind as we go through this process together. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to have a few things at the ready. First, make sure you're fully logged into your Binance account. The web version typically works best for exporting statements. Additionally, ensure your identity is verified, sometimes known as KYC, because this verification is occasionally required for certain reports. You'll also need to have your email handy and possibly a two-factor authentication method ready, as you'll often need to confirm actions during this process. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Binance.com. Log in using your credentials. Once you're on the platform, we need to access the appropriate area for transaction history. You can do this by hovering over or clicking on the Wallet menu. Then select Transaction History. Depending on your platform version, it might be under Wallet, then Spot or Funding, followed by Transaction History. If you're specifically seeking trade information, you might also explore Orders, then Trade History. With the transaction history page open, you're looking for an export option. This is usually labeled as Export or Export Transaction Records. Some versions of Binance might also provide options for tax reports or tax statements within your profile or account settings, so be sure to check there if you can't find it right away. Next, it's time to set the parameters for the report you need. You'll choose a date range, which might be set for a full year or a custom period, depending on your requirements. Decide on the assets or wallets you'd like to include, whether it's spot, margin, futures, or another option. You also need to specify the type of transactions you want information on, like trades, deposits, withdrawals, conversions, or staking rewards. Finally, select your preferred file format, typically CSV or PDF. Once you've carefully set your parameters, click Generate or Create Report. This might take a few minutes, especially if you have a substantial amount of data, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. After the report has generated, you'll see an option to download it. This is usually a download button or link, and you might receive an email notification as well. Be sure to download your report promptly, as the download link is often only available for a limited time, sometimes just a few days. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your trading or tax statement from Binance. Remember, if you encounter any differences due to regional settings or updates to the platform, just refer back to these steps and adjust accordingly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.